Hi, class. So I just want to give you an update on what to expect in the next few weeks. Um, well, I was going to make the exam due the first week of April. I don't really want to have you stress about it in, what is very much a transition week. I will try to have it up and available by the beginning of next week, but I'm giving you some time to get it done. I know for one of my sections, the World Civ 1, I have to still go over um, the section on ancient India and ancient China. So I will be creating modules for those, and for both sections of World Civ 1, I'm going to be creating modules of all my lectures. The good news is, moving into April, we basically have one large lecture on Islam and another large lecture on space like the Middle Ages, and then a really short lecture on Mesoamerican history. Then it's pretty much done. So the other big thing after that is the paper I'm having you write, and via the Canvas mesh I set up. Basically, I want to have you just write on the Plato section. I think having you do um, trying to add that other book where perhaps some of you haven't got it yet, and now I don't have access to it or away from campus, etc. Not very fair. So basically going to make it a write up on Plato. Um, so it's basically after the midterm, you have the Plato paper you're going to have need to complete, and then extra credit. So extra credit's a big thing because I think it'd be helpful, and a lot of you are not going to get a chance to go to museum. So I'm going to create some links to videos you can watch, and then do a little write up on those. I think that'll be helpful. It's pretty easy. Just do like a one-page summary of what you saw, and yeah. So I will pretty much have a lot of that all set up and ready. Um, you know, by the beginning next week, and pretty much the big thing you need to keep an eye on is the getting the midterm done, and I'm gonna give you extra time for that, and it'll be found on Canvas. Basically, when you start the midterm, you have about 3 hours to complete it, but you need to get it done within that time frame. So don't take it unless you're ready for it. Okay. Good luck, and I'll hope to hear from you soon. Hear from me, some of you soon.